Welcome to my humble home. Welcome, Mr. Singh. Sorry.
I think she was scared and drink water.
So what's the meaning of this? No, tell me! What's the meaning of this nonsense? I warned you severally not to be taking juice in this house. What's your problem? How will you do that to pass and get out of here? Can't you see I have a visitor?
Okay, sorry.
Look at rubbish she sticks. Look at what she's doing. She's doing like a tom baby. Mr. Steve, please, I'm very sorry. Please, you may have a seat. Yes, just have a seat.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yes. Very sorry because for the embarrassment.
No, it's not.
Honey, okay, you're welcome, sir.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm okay.
What is wrong with you?
I'm fine.
Why are you embarrassing me?
Sorry.
Can't you say I have a visitor in my house? Why can't you behave yourself? Behave yourself, this woman, for crying out loud.
Okay. Let me take your bag.
The bag. Take the bag and get out.
Okay.
Take the bag and get out.
Okay. Let me take my...
Hey, take the bag. Get out. What's all this? Get out.
Okay.
Hey, come here.
Honey.
See you here again. Do you hear me?
Oh,
And what?
Okay.
Are you a lunatic?
No.
Get out!
Oh, yes, honey. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Steve, I'm very sorry for the harassment.
Don't worry.
Is it the woman? She don't know anything. She just...
Honey.
What is that again? What do you want? What do you want?
You always wanted me to bend my back so you can keep your legs on top of my back.
I don't need that for now. I don't need it for now. Get out. Go. I don't need that for now.
Go?
Hey, just go.
You don't want to...
I said go.
Okay.
Go now.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
Just go. Get out.
Okay.
Be going now.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Steve? Hello, Mr. Steve. Sorry for what just happened. This woman, don't mind her. You know, this is women behavior. Whenever they're acting somehow, this is their character. Please, I am very sorry.
This is the wife I accompanied you to get married, right?
Hey,
last time.
Steve, this woman is just ordinary wife.
This woman wasn't looking like this when you married her. Why is she looking so unkempt? With her clothes like a maid and her hair's unkempt and everywhere so tattered.
But her daughter in this house is to do house chores and let's just forget about this.
No, listen, no, don't. You know, the job you're coming to do for me is more of a humanitarian job. So I need to know how you keep your family first. Listen, like, oh my goodness, the way she's acting shows a lot about how you've been living with this woman.
This is her mentality. I told you, she has a local mentality. And
you remember, I was the person who brought this girl for you.
Steve,
I was the person who showed you this woman.
We are not here to talk about this woman. We are here to talk about business.
Michael, I don't
Can we just move on and talk about the business we came here to do?
Michael, listen. Calm down. What is going on?
I don't understand.
Is this how you have made her look? Why is she scared? Like, the moment you entered, the drink she was holding, the cup almost fell down. Why is she behaving like that? That totally shows she is very much scared of you.
I am the husband. Oh yes, she has to be afraid of me whenever she sees me. Oh yes!
A woman you paid her bride price is supposed to be scared of you as your maid. If your wife is scared of you, then what happens to your maid?
I don't have it.
What happens to your workers?
I don't get this from it. Mr. Steve, we are not talking about family.
This is part of it, Daniel. This is part of it. If you cannot take care of your home, you are doing nothing in my office.
How?
Yes.
I don't get you.
If you cannot maintain your family, if you cannot respect a woman you married, how do you think you can respect my workers? How would you treat my workers?
This is family issue.
No! Family affairs. It is part of my business. If you cannot take care of your family, then you're doing nothing in my office.
I'll say it for you.
Mr. Michael, as it stands, the way I see you have been doing and the rest of the things I've seen today, I have not seen any other part of you. But for your wife to stand in front of me, scared like that, behaving like somebody who has gone abnormal, it shows a lot about how you treat her in your house. I don't think I have any accommodation for you in my office.
No, Mr.
No,
Steve,
I do that.
Say such a thing. See, I have qualification to serve you and give you the best you needed in that office. I have everything you needed. Stop talking about my wife.
If your qualification or whatever thing you call it has nothing to do with family and home affairs, then my work is not for you. It's not about qualifications. It's not about your certificates. It is about how you treat your fellow human. That is humanitarian business you're coming to do, my friend. You don't expect me to employ you in my company and you come there and mess things up.
Mr. Steve, just employ me.
Look at you treat the woman you married.
Employ me first.
Look at how you sent her out of our sight.
Because I have a guest and you are my
I
guest.
am not your guest. I introduced you to this woman. I am not your guest. She could not even recognize me anymore. Fear could not let her talk to me. Fear could not let her greet me properly. I don't think I have any business with you anymore. I am done with whatever thing you have. I'm done.
Please just
Do not follow me. Fix your home before you come to me. Please.
Mr. Steve,
Fix your home.
You can help me to fix this.
Call your wife. Apologize to your wife for whatever thing you have.
Okay, I will do that.
Whenever you're done with that, you look for me.
Okay. I will do that, Mr. Steve.